Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I wasn't planning on filming today, but I fixed my brows yesterday and did a bunch of waxing and tweezing, and of course the next day my Boxyluxe Boxycharm box comes in the mail, so we're going to do a full review, unboxing, and talk about all of the items inside of the Luxe Boxycharm box for the month of September. If that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into my Boxyluxe with me, stay tuned. Now, as you know, the Boxyluxe subscription box is going to be the quarterly box. So we get them September, December, March, and June. Only 4 times a year. It is a $49.99 subscription price. And if you get Luxe that month, you won't get the base box. But also, it's over $250 worth of product. And we're going to jump into and unbox this. I do want to remind you that even though this is sent to me in PR for reviewing purposes, I am under no obligation to talk about it. I don't have to review it. But they sent it to me in hopes that I'm going to review it, but I'm also not getting paid. So you're going to get my unbridled, honest, 100% opinion on each and every product inside the box. And I'm going to tell you right now, there's 2 in here that I am already not a fan of, do not like, instant fail. And there's 1 in here that I am so excited for that I haven't gotten this excited for a product in a box in a very long time. As always, there is no theme card when it comes to Luxe. It's just the season. So this is the Fall 2022 Luxe box. And this is variation 412, which means there's going to be a lot of variations this month. And I'm really excited to talk through the products. First item is the one I was the absolute most excited about. I don't think I can tell you how excited I was. This is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. A warm and cool-toned palette inspired by the ambiance where nature meets minimalist architecture, a mix of elements that conveys peacefulness and tranquility. It features 15 iconic Natasha Denona pressed pigment eyeshadows, including a range of brown and beige to pink and coral that complement with teal, mint, and green. A perfect balance of color and combination to create warm and cool, everyday to bold, and expressive looks. As you know, Natasha Denona makes some of my favorite eyeshadows ever. And my favorite palette of all time is a Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Now, I will say that several years ago, she did change her formula a little bit. And I'm still a really big fan. I don't think I would say that it's as good as it was. I will say I find the original formula to be a little bit better. However, that does not mean it is not an amazing product, because the past few palettes I've gotten from her have been amazing. These are going to be the colors inside. As you can see, you really do get the best of everything. It's almost like a muted rainbow because you get like a muted peachy pink, a muted red, a muted blue, a muted green, a muted gold. It's stunning. I'm instantly drawn to like this area up here, those mauvey pinks, and of course having some neutral browns. As you know, I also love when you take like a peach color in the crease and you pair it with either a mint green or these like seafoamy blue shades. So stunning. I am going to be doing a full video where we do a review on all of these products, where we actually try them on, but I have extensively used this formula and I already know I love it. When I opened my box, I was so excited to see this that I started shaking. Like, it has been so long since I actually got excited about a product. Like, I've gotten excited about boxes and I've opened boxes and been like, yeah, these are some really cool products, or I've seen things that are interesting, or I've seen things that were kind of cool, but this is the first time I wanted to instantly be like, yep, time to play with makeup. And this is one. Tomorrow, when I have a little bit more time, I'm going to be filming a full tutorial with this palette. And this does retail for $69. Next, from the brand Lawless, we have the One and Done Longwear Volumizing Mascara. One truly clean mascara that does it all, volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. This mascara uses the lighter Wear Lacquer Tree and Rice brand waxes to keep the lashes lifted, while castor and argan oils promote lash length. Also comes with an elastomer brush that gently grips and combs through the lashes for instant volume and elongation, while the spherical tip offers lash styling and separation, retailing for $25. I have used this mascara. I was actually still in store doing support with Sephora when it came out, and I did like the product. I will say it's not my favorite mascara of all time. In my mascaras I love, Restock Cup, you know, it's always It's always the Beauty For Real High Def Mascara. That's going to be my ride or die favorite forever and always. But I liked this one. Now, is this one that I would go out of my way to try again? I would probably say not really, but it's a good one. And if you're somebody who likes to use whatever comes in your subscription box as your next mascara, great. I am a little pickier, so I'm going to pass on this. It's not because it's not good, it's just not more than good, in my opinion. Next, from Ole Henriksen, this is the Gel Rush Brightening Gel, the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream from the Truth line. Lightweight gel moisturizer packs with 3 forms of vitamin C and rows of winter extract to instantly brighten and deliver 24-hour hydration, retailing for $34. When I was getting into skincare a very long time ago, I went into a Sephora, and I remember asking the beauty advisor, and this was long before I worked in Sephora, like I was still in college, and I wanted to get more into skincare. I was already really into makeup. And I remember asking the skincare employee special, I don't remember what the title was back then, but I asked for a moisturizer. This is the one they recommended, and as the first real moisturizer and real routine I started using, Ole Henriksen, I bought one of the like trials kit that had, I think, 5 different products from them, and I liked it. And then I tried other things and I realized I didn't really like it. It was just all I knew. So as I kind of progressed through my skincare journey, you know, I wanted things that were a little bit thicker or more nourishing, but then it wasn't lightweight enough. And I think at the time that I used it, my skin just wasn't really used to skincare. So it's not that it wasn't a good product, it was just one that I think I wasn't ready to use. So I am going to be giving this a second try and trying it again. It's been like 12 years, I want to say, since I tried this, maybe longer. So I will be giving this another shot, and I will let you know in an upcoming video if my opinion has changed. Next, from the brand Ren, this is the Evercalm Redness Relief Serum, retailing for $60. Nature Stand Against Sensitivity, this fast-acting white mushroom-powered serum, is clinically proven to reduce redness over just 30 minutes, while soothing signs of sensitivity in 7 days, including dryness, itching, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, and burning. The new Velvet Touch Serum is proven to strengthen skin's moisture barrier and help protect from pollution. I tried this when I lived in Florida, and I did not like it, but my skin has changed so much. I am a little glowy, a little dewy right now, but normally, at this point in the day, I would be legitimately greasy by this point. So the fact that my skin has changed so much, I am going to be giving this another shot as well. Next, from the brand Make, this is the Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Tint. This is in the shade Nude Nova. Now, I do already own this product in the shade Surface Level, which is a little bit more of like a plummy nude, a little bit more on the brown side, and I don't love the color I had. This one seems to be a little bit more on the peachy nude, so I'm excited to give that a try. But I didn't love it, and I think I didn't love it mostly because of the color that I had versus this one, which is in a different color. But I also am at that point where I'm not sure if I didn't like it because of the formula or the color, or if it was a mixture of the two. So I am going to give this another shot, but I will say off the bat, not a product I like. Next, from Beauty Bio, these are depuffing under eye gels. This one retails for $28, and I feel like I've gotten so many of these that I just end up putting them in my drawer. Like, I'm still working through the Live Tinted ones that I got months ago. I got so many of them that I am still using the ones from Live Tinted. So eventually I'll probably get to these, but this is just one of those product types that for me, I have so many, I do not need more. Next, the Partner in Crime Lip Duo from Queen Studio. Indulge your inner bad bitch. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers high pigment payoff that seals in moisture and comfort for long-lasting wear, retailing for $18. I'm not really a fan when we get these duos because I usually I like one color, but I don't like both. These ones also have no indicator of what the color are on the packaging. So one is called Spray Tan and one is called SOS. Oh, Spray Tan is like a light chocolate brown, great if you have a deeper complexion. And SOS is a true red. I feel like if you change out the packaging, we've gotten this exact duo dozens of times. I have so many lip liners that I'm going to end up giving those to my sister because not for me. And the last item was another one I was so excited for a couple months ago. So this is a repeat item. we received the Dominique Cosmetics Cream Blush, and I got mine in the shade Soft Pink, which was a pretty soft pink, but when I saw the colors available, it was not the one I wanted. Today I got the one Warm Peach, and Warm Peach is the color I wanted from the beginning. I love peachy tone blush, especially in the summer. As we gear up and move towards fall and winter, I tend to move more towards the mauve tones, but to me it is still summer, so I will be rocking this in my next video because I feel like this apricot-y, ignoring the fact my husband's allergic to apricot-y peachy blush is just really, really pretty that I need it on my face. Now, all in, this box had a subscription value of $282, which obviously for $49.99 is amazing. You get about $100 worth of product in the two I was the most excited about alone. So even if you didn't like anything else, I think it's a decent box. What I will say is these two also another like $80. So the things I don't really like were the more affordable items in the box anyway, which for me is a win. When I look at whether or not it was a good box or not, I like to see, would I be better taking $50 and going to Ulta or Sephora or Target or Walmart or Amazon or wherever you get your beauty staples and buying something, or would I be better getting the box? And this palette alone tells me I am better off getting the box this month. That is going to be my final thoughts. As always, I want to hear yours, so please sound off down below in the comment section with what you think about this month's box. Do you think this Luxe box was a hit or not? Sound off, and I will see you in my next video where we're going to unbox the base or premium box. And then once we unbox all of those, we're going to do a demo with all of the makeup products from all of the Boxycharm boxes this month. Thank you for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.